Tracy in the sun. This is my water bottle.
Oh, huwag ka na malikot, huwag ka na malikot. Oh, sige, sige. So, are you going to where?
What?
You are going to where? Are you going to where?
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 In other school.
Auntie school. Wait, we will go to church first.
Huh?
We'll go to church.
Church?
Yes.
No, we're going to others. We're going to
Mama was
others.
there in the church.
Oh,
We have to catch them, Mama first.
we need to catch Mama.
Yeah.
No, other bears.
Mama first, Mama.
Why Mama bear?
Mama first, Mama. We'll see if Mama is still there in the church. Because this time is the one.
How could we gonna see Mama in the church?
Church.
Church, ay simbahan?
Simbahan, yes.
Simbahan natin?
Simbahan natin, yes. Simbahan natin.
That? That?
Yes, this church. Dal.
Huwag kang tatayo, ah.
Oh, stay lang, stay. Kaya binibidyo niya yung yung dadaanan dahil nasa school siya pupunta.
Di ba nasabay si Maring Juliet para kanina?
Nahihiya yun sa mga kasama.
Hindi na.
Hihinto ba sila sa
Hindi,
inyo?
kaya ko namang
Kaya
mababat
niya.
bababa eh. Saka paghakbak to, ako lang mag-isa nga tumuho rin eh.
Naaya ko lang nga si Jaco, Beng eh.
Mm.
Oo nga.
Papa,
Eh, nag-uusap mga bababa sa amin magbibingko sa dulo.
Ah,
Ano naman ang mga...
Diyos ko, ba't ako kayo?
hindi, ulan siguro. May ulan ngayon eh. Hindi ko lang alam kung ano. Tsaka baka bukas lang magtuloy-tuloy ulan.
let's go to ate now.
Yes.
Dito ka, sumandal ka dito.
Okay. I can
I can,
I can see that.
I can see that.
I see that.
Yung bang yaya niya naglalabas
Papa.
ng niya?
Ay, nagsasalang ho lang sa washing machine. Nagsasampay. Nagtitiklop. May like, ano, yung amin eh.